Are you looking to boost your income by offering top-tier science-backed products to your customers? Introducing 4 Life Reseller Packs, bundles of our top-selling products designed for savvy entrepreneurs like you. Purchase these packs at a significant savings, resell, and watch your profits grow. Here's how it works. Buy this 6-pack of Transfer Factor Plus for just $48 per bottle. Resell each bottle at the retail price of $82. That's a $34 profit per bottle. Multiply that by 6 bottles, and you're looking at $204 in total profit. But that's just the beginning. With options like prebiotics, cardio, Renuvo, and more, every reseller pack is an opportunity to boost your income and offer products that truly make a difference. And there's more. When you add a reseller pack as part of your 4 Life Loyalty Program order, you earn loyalty points. So you'll boost your income and stack up rewards. It's a win-win. So, are you ready to share Transfer Factor with the world while earning extra income? 4 Life Reseller Packs, boosting your income 1 pack at a time.